Alright, so walking in, this step automatically comes down. Okay. We'll close this door for now. This door does separate and it can be just the screen, which is kind of cool. It makes that noise, which is a little bit annoying, but it's okay. I can live with it. There's storage above this short queen bed. There's a closet here. One modification we made, well, not modification, we put this cloth shelf, and since it's actually too long for the closet, it helps it to be more stable and not swing around and stuff falls out, which was the case with our pop-up camper. And it actually goes quite deep below that, behind that, but you know, we can easily access our towels and our packing cubes here. We already put one hook here. I'm planning to put a few inside to hang like bags and a hat. I don't know how to show. Maybe I should lift it up to show you. But it does go goes pretty deep back there. Okay. By the way, so what we're hanging here is a dog leash. We would hang it higher, but the kids need to be able to reach it on their own. We did an upgrade for a TV. I felt it was worth it. The TV's probably, as of this year of our Lord 2024, it could probably be purchased for around $200. However, the upgrade was $550, and that included them wiring, so we felt like it was worth it. We put some Velcro here so that these things could stick, and then we could put it back here easily. The remote, I think that's for the AC. By the way, this has two ACs. One down here, which we're currently, as it's just sitting in our yard, it's using for dehumidifier. And then we have this one up here. Sorry for swinging the phone around quickly. I will try not to do that. All right, we have storage up here. This is like one large compartment. The diner has currently some blankets and pillows, the sheets and pillow covers and extra pillow covers. Ooh, I should remove that one too, are gonna be washed. And these blankets have been washed like extremely recently, so we figured we'll just leave them here. And we really didn't like do beach or anything like that where things are particularly dirty on this trip. So our first camping trip, so we're okay with not washing them, since also we're only gonna have contact with the sheets. This is a heater down here. These are kind of like drawers, I think. Yeah, but it does close nicely. Something good about this company is, my understanding is it's been around since 2021. They've really listened to buyers. And one thing they wanted is stuff that stays really well. We do need to screw this in better. That's not a big deal. And then this elastic thing will stay. And we have storage up here. I've decided to make it so that I'm going to put things we want to access all the time up here, like cleaning. We're still kind of figuring that around. We're figuring that out. This is more storage. We gave away our straw based plates, cups, and utensils with the other camper, so we still need to get those things if we're going to get them versus just using paper. We'll definitely get utensils that are reusable. If we stick with paper, then we can save some of that to start fires, which is cool. I think we will buy a small amount of the straw-based plates and cups. We just bought new camper cups because we accidentally gave those away with the pop-up as well. All right, so we have a hood here, more storage up here, We have a microwave here. By the way, the lights are just like, you just press them to be on and off. We have 2-burner stove here. This is a dehumidifier we put here. The sink came with a cap. The kitchen sink. No oven, that would be too heavy. The whole point of this brand is to be as light as possible. We did, however, upgrade to the largest fridge, but apparently everyone does. And since there's such a lack of counter space, we decided that's just where we're going to keep all the food when we camp. We have 2 bunks over here. One upgrade I did was ask for plugs in each bunk so that my children can charge their devices. So there's one there and one here. A mod we're going to make soon is put this step in, probably about here. We also have these grab bars. We'll probably put one, maybe one here on the same side, and then another one here, so that my oldest can get up there, and whoever's on the top bunk, if sometime it's not him, they can get up there too. I had bought this before we actually received our camper. I got it from Home Goods. I got the one that was like as narrow as possible because I figured the door is gonna probably be narrow, and it is. There's a fan and a vent up here. There's a shower that has a sunlight. The shower came with a plug. The sink did not come with a plug, but I bought this and it was a 2-pack. And for the shower, kitchen sink, I bought these 2 little like sifters, whatever, to catch hair and food and whatever else. And I got this one that came with this. It was actually, I didn't realize it was also a 2-pack, so I have an extra in the if the situation happens where I lose one of them. But like one critical review stated, you can't use this and this together, which honestly, not a big deal to me. So when I'm not using them, my thought is to keep them in here. These are bathroom things that I think, like we're not going to ever let it get too hot in here. Like I think we're going to keep it like low 80s when we're not using it. And by the way, I'm in North Central Florida. The month right now during which I'm filming this is June. It's quite hot out, like high 90s. Feels like 105. So I think these items are okay at this temperature. Things that I wasn't sure, I just went ahead and brought into the house. At this point, I brought toothbrushes in. Yeah, we put a garbage can. I think you're not supposed to like leave it up when you're traveling, so I just tipped it over. We're not really using it right now, so I'm keeping it tipped over. There's a mirror. Yeah, I can't think of anything else to show right now. Guess I'll turn things off. Well, yeah, I'll show you this. There's also this here. So some people go ahead and hang permanent things there. My thought is the travel things, some travel things we could hang there. Like there's a duffel bag that holds toothbrushes. That's what I want to do, but I think my husband bought something that he wants to hang somewhere. And I'm not sure where that is, because when you're standing in front of this sink, like your shoulders like against this wall. There's not space, so I think just hang it there, and then that way also we do traveling just besides our camper, so it's we rotate the toothbrushes so that we throw old ones away, get new ones. We could just get those when we're traveling to someone else's house or traveling somewhere else by plane or or traveling in the camper, we can just grab the same thing. That's my thought on that. But all these things should be okay here. All right, let me see. What else do I want to show you? Yeah, we're thinking of adding I'll show you storage. So there's storage. I don't want to lift it right now, but there's storage in there. It's like pretty much the whole bench. This is where the AC is. And there's storage under this bed. It's going to be hard. See, it's like this. We already have some stuff in there. Oh, and that's where we're keeping our bug zapper. We have some games right now. Coloring book, shoes. So I figured stuff we're not using very often we could put in here. Stuff we're using a few times throughout the day we could put in that storage. Stuff we use frequently throughout the day we'll put probably in this storage. And then like kitchen utensil, well, not like spatula, stuff like that we'll put in, these drawers. Yeah, so my husband is thinking of putting a handle here. At first he wanted to put one of these. I think that, I don't know, maybe I'm like the princess and the pea, because I think I would feel that, oh no, this mattress is already come undone a little bit. I'll figure it out. We're going to put a cover over this mattress anyway to cover the entire thing. So I'm thinking about just maybe making a handle out of some Goslin ribbon I have, so I could just, pull it up more easily. And I think there's also some storage. You know what? I'll go outside and show you. I'll show you where the other storage is. You can hear this fun noise again as I close it. Bye-bye, Step. Okay, so I wanted to show you. There's some storage here, and it goes all the way through. Interestingly, as of right now, it comes with one key for here, a different key for this side, and then a different key for the other side, even though it's literally the same compartment, just two different doors. And all three keys are identical. But you know what? If that's the worst problem, that's fine. Okay, have a good day.